How's it going, folks? Welcome to Diff Calc. This is week 12, video 1. Today we're going to be talking about the intermediate value theorem. Let's go ahead and get started. So the intermediate value theorem, otherwise abbreviated as IVT, states that if the function f is continuous on the closed interval ab, f of a is not equal to f of b, and k is any number in between f of a and f of b, then there is at least one number c in ab such that f of c is equal to k. Now I know that seems like a lot. Let's look at an example of how we can relate this. So this is a pretty poorly drawn example, but it represents what we're looking for here. So we know that AB, the function here, is going to be continuous on that closed interval. There's no gaps, there's no jumps, there's no holes. Okay, we can also see that f of A and f of B are not equal. Because f of B is less than k, which is less than a, I can state that f of c is going to be equal to k as long as c is in between a and b. Essentially, all this says is that as long as this y value and this y value are different, then any value in between that is going to be an output for a function at some value c. Okay, let's look at an example of how we can use this. So use the intermediate value theorem to show that the polynomial function f of x is equal to x cubed plus 2x minus 1 has a 0 in the interval 0, 1. So first off, we need to state f of x is continuous on the closed interval 0, 1 because it's a polynomial. F of x is a polynomial, and we know that all polynomials are going to be continuous. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to find f of 0. So f of 0 is going to be -1, and we can plug in f of 1, and we're going to find out that this is 2. So we're looking for a 0 here. Since I know that -1, which is equal to f of 0, is less than 0, and this is less than f of 1, which is equal to 2, I know that the IVT states that there will be some value in between f of 0 and f of 1 that will have an output of 0. So using the IVT, we're going to conclude there exists some value of c that is in between, or it's in the bounds of 0 and 1, such that f of c is equal to 0. Okay, and that's all for today, folks. Thank you very much.